How to download all Google Photos in one click. Hello everyone, my name is Mal here to guide you through the way. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. So to do that, you can also use your Google Chrome. I will show you by using Google Chrome, and on the Google Chrome on the search bar, you can simply search for Google Photos like I did. Make sure that you have your phone in desktop side. After you have already done that, open Google Photos, tap on Go to Google Photos, and after tapping on Go to Google Photos, the photos will be visible if you have any photo on your Google account. Since I don't have any, it says me to ready to add some photos, but if you have any, then you can just select it. After selecting it, you can simply download the Google Photos. And the next method how you can do that is go on this and tap. You can simply transfer from photo, and you can transfer the photos to this Google account as well. And you can save it to Google Drive as well. So I will teach you how you can download the photos from your Google Photos app as well. So on the downside, you will see there is option of share. When I tap on the share button, so I can simply send it in photos, create an album, add to album, and I can also save it in Drive. So I can simply select all the photos and tap on share it in Drive, and all the photos will be downloaded in your Drive. And you can simply send that photos to any folder which you want to as well. So this is how you can do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Any comments or questions, then please do comment on the comment section.